After we insert multiple contents in the header and footer area, we may choose to use the spacebar to adjust the position of a certain text. Today we're going to show you how to use the Insert Alignment tab feature to align text quickly. Place the mouse cursor in front of the content to be adjusted, and click the Insert Alignment tab button in the Header/Footer tab. In the pop-up dialog box, we can set alignment and leader. In the following video, we'll show you the effects of center margin and center indent. Center margin. Suppose we now want to set the center alignment according to the margin. Select Center for Alignment and select Margin for Align Relative to. We can also select the needed style in Leader. Click the OK button to see the effect. It should be noted that if we need to modify the alignment twice, remember to delete the tab Leader, otherwise the alignment effect will be affected. Center Indent. Select Center, then select Indent at Align Relative to and click OK. Between left indent and right indent, we can see the content is aligned center